Hello everyone. Today I will be going through the aggregation framework related query question. In this question we have to get to know the attendance bands along with the average ticket price for particular category. That is what being asked on this. The attendance band should be on low, medium and high, and we have to get the count and the average ticket price. For this we have the syntax part of this question for this query, and we got two main part, that is the add fields operator part and the group operator part. The add fields operator part is used for the main classification, and the group part is used for the summarizing the data. Okay. Firstly, we will be going to the add fields part where the attendance category has been created. In this operator, it allows to add calculated or derived fields to each document without making any change to the previous or modifying the original data. By making the original data consistent and making with the new additions is being performed in the attendance category. Then coming to the condition, that is a condition operator, by using with the if statement. If the number of attendees is less than 120, then it will fall on the low category. And the else condition, that is a second condition operator, that is if the number of attendees is less than 160, then it would fall on medium category. And if the number of attendees is more than 160, it would definitely fall on the high category. That is being mentioned on the both conditions that is being defined. And then coming to the second main stage of this query, that is the group stage. In this attendance category has been mentioned also the count part where the number of performance in each category has been calculated, and the sum is to 1 increments the count for each every document, and it adds a value of 1 for each every document. Then coming to the average ticket, the average ticket operator, average AVG operator, we will be get to know the average ticket price for each category. Thus we have come to the end of this query part, and we can go with the execution of this query on the Mongoose environment. First we will be copying this, copying the first part, then we will be going through the Mongoose environment. Then we have the second part, that's mainly the group by state. We have copied that as well. Then we will be pasting the Tonti Mongoose. Then we have to enter the syntax query we have wrote. There we will be able to get to see the three categories, high, medium and low, along with the each category with the number of performance, and along with the average ticket price. That count denotes the number of count, and along the average ticket price for each category, for each different attendance band, high, medium and low, has been mentioned. With this query we will be get to know the MongoDB. It uses the conditional logic as well as the aggregation framework together to transform the raw data into meaningful insight. That's the main key takeaway with this query, that we can combine both conditional logic as well as the aggregation framework to make into a final conclusion for this question. Thank you.